Hi friends, welcome to Susan Terrace Garden. Today I would like to show you Pandanus Veitchii plant. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Coming to Pandanus Veitchii, it is also called as screw pine. Many think that this plant is spider plant, but this is not spider plant. This is Pandanus Veitchii. It is called it is also called as pine, but it is not really a true pine. The leaves of the plant look like a pineapple, so they named it as screw pine. This plant should be placed in bright indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Regarding watering, keep the soil moist. Water the plant when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Reduce watering in winter. Regarding soil, use well draining soil. A mix of garden soil, a mix of compost, and a mix of sand soil works well to ensure good drainage. Regarding pruning, trim back any brown or withered leaves regularly to maintain the plant's appearance. Regarding propagation, pandanus plants can be propagated from stem cuttings. Simply cut a healthy stem with several leaves and plant it in moist soil to root. Pandanus Veitchii is known to be an air purifier, removing toxins from the air and improving indoor air quality. Pandanus Veitchii is also known as pricky plant. It grows long leaves that arch attractively outwards from the center. In this plant, the leaves spiral nicely. They have rows of sharp, hooked spines. This is a good plant for an office or a big house. Pandanus Veitchii leaves are green with yellow centers. It's a versatile that can be placed, it can be grown in both indoors and outdoors. So I wish that you would also grow this Pandanus Veitchii plant. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a joyful gardening.